Well, that's quite the walk. To walk across this big field. I don't know. It's not too bad. At least it's all short grass. No hills and obstacles, so it's not too bad. I know there's a river over here. I've never fished this before. I fished the river before, but not this part of the river. I'm kind of curious on what it's going to do today. Haven't had much luck in the river yet this year, but we're going to try today. See what happens. There's obviously some trailage going on. This don't look too bad, to tell you the truth. Well, there's people down there. I did not expect to see people. And it's stupid windy, so I'm actually going to go down river. I see a couple jetties we can fish. Let's go over there. It's a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be. I'm sweating. So I guess when I see a spot, it looks good from the road, I might as well take into consideration that there's a well-traveled path. So I am probably the 10,000th person to come down here, which is okay. I don't see any fresh prints, but I tell you what, this sure looks good. It honestly looks really good. Minus the severe wind. We're gonna have to fight through that, but I think we can do it. Let's go ahead and give her a whirl. Let's get set up. Oh, corn and night crawler. Going out on the first pole. I don't know what to think about this spot. It seems deep enough. See what happens with that. What's on the menu today? Cut carp. Okay. Just had another bite. Dang it. Use again. Drop it. I missed him. Dang it. Missed him again. He's hitting that back one. He's hitting this guy right here. I don't know. Let's try it again. There's definitely fish right there. Let's see if we can get one of them. Well, they done pecked my worm apart. My corn has not been touched, so I'm gonna cut bait and worm it. Cut bait on one hook and worm on the other. There's fish here. There's fishies here. Give it an hour or so and see if we can't catch at least one. Get another worm on here. These worms are from last year. I can't believe they're still alive. Well, they're kind of alive. They're not lively, but they are alive. They're not dead. So, I don't know. They've definitely, I'd say, they've definitely probably shrunk. They were probably 3 times the size of that. But now they're small, so Let's get it out there. Let's keep trying. Some random dog playing in the mud. Oh God. Oh boy. You ain't getting in my truck. Finally freaking got one. Oh, it's just a drum. Oh. I'll tell you what, it's got some good looking colors to him. Really nice looking colors. He smells good too. Well, let's let him go. First fish, 5th bite. Let's go for another bite and another fish. Hi, bud. Thanks for playing. That was a bite. Oh man, I missed him. That was way more than a little guy. Dang it. Oh, finally hooked up on something. Oh, drag's gonna have to come out a little bit. I think it's a channel. Sweet though, finally. Man, I was on the phone. He's just a little dude. Oh, he's not bad. He's not bad. He took that bait that every other one's been gnawing on. And I mean gnawing on it. My hook ain't the best, so we're gonna get down here and give him a good go. Ah, man, what a good one. Sweet. Waiting here all day for this dude. Oh, he wasn't even hooked. Came right out. That bait is just destroyed, and they keep trying to eat that thing. Sweet. No, he's not that big. He's just a little dude. Those are lines, or marks from my line. I could feel him hitting it when he was swimming off, but he's probably a good eater. Might make a couple people mad, I don't know. There. Some better lighting on that feller. 2.5 pounds. Let's let him go. I know it's windy. I know it's windy. Let's let him go. Wow, it's just gone. I think this is more of a note to myself. I don't think I have the right bait. That drum I caught would have made good bait. Leave some scale and skin, and bones in it. The other stuff that I have on these hooks that ain't getting touched don't have no bones, no skin, no scales. It's just meat. I don't know. I could just be overthinking things. Should have brought more bait, a different variety, instead of only brought one bait. Instead I only brought one bait. That's terrible. Well, get in a rush and get out the door. Got bait, let's go. Every time. What do? Just keep on trying, keep on fishing. You'll catch something someday. To be continued. Well, I made it back out here. It's the next day. I'm hoping to add on to the tally that we got going on here. It's only 2, but one decent sized channel cat. I brought some different bait, some frozen shad from last year. Hoping this will do a little bit better of a job. If I can even get them apart. I don't know, they're frozen. Hey, looky there, got one. I'm gonna try and, yay! Oh, there's a head. I don't know, we'll start with that. While this stuff unthaws a little bit, get a knife, I guess, and cut this stuff instead of tearing it. Soft shad, never wants to stay on the hook very good at all, but we're gonna try anyway. A pair of scissors would be nice, but my super dull fillet knife will work for now. Let's get some baits out there. Try a head and a body, using my little hooks. I'm thinking the shad's gonna do a little bit better of a job than that carp, but we're gonna find out. Got our first bite. Sweet. Didn't take too long. Hopefully he just takes it. Would be nice. Come on. Just grab and go, bud. Just grab it and go. I dropped it. Nope, got him. Oh, he's not small. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Please stay on there. But that's a big channel. That's a big channel cat. Maybe I got 2 hooks in them. A big channel cat. To be easy with them with these little hooks. Get out of that line over there. That's a big channel cat. Oh yeah. Nice size anyway. Oh, he swallowed it. Sweet. Picked it up real soft, and I knew there were some channel kitties here. See if I can get them. Stop flopping around there, bud. There we go. Big old noggin on them. I figured this bait might do a little bit better of a job, and I was right. And I'm not right very often. What a pretty feller. Almost looks like a big male. Oh, get the hook out here. Stay still, bud. He's been caught before, it looks like. It's not bad. It's not bad. Pretty fish. We're gonna let him go. Go on, guy. There he goes. Well, I'm calling it a day. Successful day, even though it was one channel cat, but that was a decent sized channel cat. Haven't caught one of those in quite some time. I don't know how big it was. It's probably 2 pounds, somewhere in there. Or bigger, I don't know. I'm tired of guessing fish, but anyway, I got things to do. We all got things to do. And like I said, it was worth getting out. It's a lot calmer than yesterday. I thought I would be a little bit more productive with this overcast all day long and the little bit of shower action going on, but one decent sized one will do. I'm gonna pack up and go, but as always, thanks for watching Talleygo.